Alright, so here the problem reads, Andrew and Maria each collected 6 rocks, and the masses of the rocks are shown in the table above, so that's, given in the problem. Let's see, the mean of the masses of the rocks Maria collected is 0.1 kilogram greater than the mean of the masses of the rocks Andrew collected. Okay, so what does that mean? Basically, the average mass of the rocks that Maria collected is 0.1 kilogram bigger than the average of the mass of Andrew's. So what is the value of x? So we are missing the mass of one of Maria's rocks. We want to find how heavy it was. So I calculated Andrew's average to be 2.8, taking the sum of the masses of each of his rocks and dividing by 6. And here I wrote an expression for Maria's average. And this is what it is, right? So it's the sum of the mass of all of her rocks divided by 6. I just expressed the one we're missing as x. That's totally fine. So here I just combined like terms. Here I added all these together. So it's x plus 14.8 over 6. So we need to know what this equals, right? Because we need to actually solve for x. Well, luckily we're already told that. We're told that her average is 0.1 kilograms greater than Andrew's. We know Andrew's is 2.8, so that means this is equal to 2.9. From here, let's just solve for x. So multiply both sides by 6. So you have 2.9 times 6. All right, so 17.4 is equal to x plus 14.8, and then to isolate x, minus 14.8 minus 14.8, so x is equal to 2.6. There we go. That's the mass of the rock that we don't know. And again, the reason we know this is just because we just wrote an expression for her average just using x, and then we knew what that has to equal because it has to be 0.1 bigger than Andrew's, and we just solved from there.